Welcome to Tungal Online Classes. See students, see the trigonometric ratios synopsis. So see this one. What is the, if two angles A comma B are said to be complementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angles? Is nothing but A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Then A comma B are called complementary angles, and A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Then it's called supplementary angles. A plus B is equal to 90 is called complementary angles, and A plus B is equal to 180 is called supplementary angles. See students, here if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then what happens? So see this one. Sin A is equal to sin A can be written as 90 degrees minus B. Sin 90 minus theta. I am already told that one. If it is a multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2, then sin will take the co-ratio. That meaning is cos B. It is a plus or minus. 90 minus theta meaning is it is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, so it will become cos B. Similarly, cos A is equal to, what is the cos A? Cos A is nothing but cos of 90 minus B. So that is nothing but cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta, that is the sin B. Why? Because if it is a 90 is there, take the cos co-ratio. Cos co-ratio is a sin. So 90 minus theta is in the first quadrant, all are positive, so you will get a sin B. And also see students, sin square A plus sin square B. Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to, sin square A plus sin square B is equal to what happens? Sin square A plus sin square B you can written as sin square, this beta, this B you can written as 90 minus A. Yes or no? This B you can written as 90 minus A. So that is equal to sin square A plus sin 90 minus theta, it is a cos theta. Yes or no? So square is there, it will become cos square A. So automatically this value will become the 1 only. So sin square A plus sin square B value will become 1. When if A plus B is 90 degrees, A plus B is 90 degrees, sin square A plus sin square B value will become 1. Similarly, you can see this one. You can see this cos square A plus cos square B. What is the cos square A plus cos square B? It is also equal to 1. Why? Because cos square A plus cos square B you can written as cos square. This B you can written as 90 degrees minus A. 90 minus A. So that is nothing but cos square A plus cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is the sin theta. So square is there, it will become sin square A. So cos square A plus sin square A, that is also equal to 1. So A plus B is equal to 90, then sin A is equal to cos B, and cos A is equal to sin B. Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. Next, cos square A plus cos square B value is also equal to 1. All are understood, students? So see the next one is, if A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. If A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So what happens? So that is nothing but sin A plus sin B is equal to, sin A plus sin B is equal to what happens? So see students, minus sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B. So what happens? Sin A minus sin of B value. In the place of B you can written as 180 minus A. So in the place of B you can written as 180 minus A. That is equal to sin A minus multiples of that is the 180 or 360. The trigonometric ratios remains the same. So that is nothing but sin 180 minus A is nothing but sin A. So it will become 0. So if a plus b is equal to 180 degrees, then sin a minus sin b, it will become 0. Next, see this one. Cos a plus cos b is equal to cos a plus cos b is equal to what happens? Cos a plus cos of, in the place of b, you can written as 180 degrees minus a. So that is equal to cos a, cos 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, yes or no? 180 minus meaning is it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So you will get a minus. 180 minus 180 is there, cos will remain the same. So you will get a cos a. So it will become 0. It will become 0. So similarly, see this one, students. That is tan a plus tan b is equal to tan a plus tan b is equal to, what is that? Tan a plus tan b is equal to tan a plus tan of, in the place of b, you can written as 180 minus a. So that is equal to tan a. 180 minus means in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. And 180 is there, tan will remain the same. Tan will remain the same. So that is nothing but tan a. When it will changes, if it is odd multiples of pi by 2, that is 90, 270, like that one. In that cases, tan will take the co-ratios, okay. So 180, 360, like these terms are there, it will remain the same, okay. So 180 minus is the second quadrant, but it will take the sign, that is the minus tan a. So it will become 0. So see that question, students. A plus b is equal to 180. If a plus b is equal to 180, what is the conditions you will get? Sin a minus sin b is equal to 0. Cos a plus cos b is equal to 0. And tan a plus tan b is equal to 0. Tan a plus tan b is equal to 0. So see, these are three conditions, students. Next one is a minus b. A minus b is equal to 180 degrees. So next, see that condition. If a minus b is equal to 180 degrees. A minus b is equal to 180 degrees. What happens? Then see the first condition. Sin a plus sin b is equal to, what is that? Sin of, see here a. What is a value? If we take this b value to this side, it will become 180 degrees plus b plus sin b. So a value I am changing it as a 180 plus b. Why? Because so sin 180 plus meaning is 180 plus theta is nothing but it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sin is negative. So what is the term you will get, students? Minus. So 180 is there. If 180 or 360 like these terms are here, the sign will remain the same. So you will get a sin b plus sin b. So what happens, students? The two terms will be cancelled. You will get a 0. Similarly, you can take that cos a plus cos b is equal to cos a plus cos b is equal to. So what is that cos a plus cos b? Same, students. So cos of, in the place of a, you can written as 180 degrees plus b plus cos b. So 180 plus meaning is it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. So what we will get? That minus cos b plus cos b. So it will become 0. It will become 0. So see the third one. So what is that? Tan a minus tan b is equal to tan a minus tan b is equal to, what happens? So that is a tan of 180 plus b minus tan b. Tan a is equal to tan of 180 plus b minus tan b. So that is equal to tan of 180 plus. 180 plus meaning is it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is a positive. So you will get that tan b minus tan b. It will become 0. So see students, so some conditions I am given. A plus B is a 90 degrees. So if A plus B is a 90, it is called a complementary angles, and A plus B is a 180, it is called a supplementary angles. If A plus B is equal to 90, then these conditions will be possible, and if A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, then these conditions will be possible, and if A minus B is equal to 180 degrees, then these conditions will be possible. Okay, so see, these are questions students. So next one is, see students, if A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C, A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C, then A sin theta minus B cos theta. So see students, A cos theta plus B sin theta value is C, they are asking. So what happens here? A cos theta B sin theta is become A sin theta minus B cos theta. Are understanding that? Both are reversed and the sign is also changed. What is that value is? Okay. So see that question, how to solve these type of questions. So in the questions, they will give you in the place of A and B, they will give you the values, A, B, C values, they will give you that. By using of this formula, you can calculate those problems. Okay. So see, these are question students. What is that? Given A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. Yes or no? So I am taking, this is the equation number 1. So let what we have to calculate, A sin theta minus B cos theta, this value you have to calculate. That value I am taking it as a K. So that meaning is you have to calculate the K value. Okay. So what I will do that one, I will take, this is the equation number 2. So what I will do that one, 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square. What is that? A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square is equal to C square plus K square. So this value whole square plus this value whole square, and similarly take the RHS also, C square plus K square. Expand this value students, what happens? A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. That meaning is A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta into sin theta. This value is, expand this value students, what happens? A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta. So that is equal to C square plus K square. C square plus K square. So here 2AB cos theta sin theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. Yes or no? So that implies here A square and here also A square is there. I will take the A square common. So what happens? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Similarly, here B square is there and here also B square is there. So what we will take the common? B square. So what happens students? I will take the B square common. It will become sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to C square plus K square. C square plus K square. So that implies cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1, then it will become A square plus B square is equal to C square plus K square. So that implies I need this K square value. So take this C square to this side. What happens? That is K square is equal to A square plus B square minus C square. So that implies this K value is nothing but plus or minus square root of A square plus B square minus C square. So this is the required value is. So a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Then by using this formula, you can calculate this value directly. Are understanding, students? Similarly, you can calculate by using the same formula. So what is another formula is similar. If a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c, then a cos theta minus b sin theta, it will become same formula, plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Are understanding that? A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Then a sin theta minus b cos theta value is plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Similarly, a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c. Then a cos theta minus b sin theta value is also same, plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. All are understood, students? So see these two conditions. See the next one. Sin theta plus sin pi plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta plus and so on plus sin of n pi plus theta, sin of n pi plus theta. This value is 0 if n is odd. If n is odd, then the sum it will become 0, and this value is sin theta if n is even. If n is even. Yes or no? So see this condition, students. For example, if n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1. So what happens? So if n is equal to 1, it will become sin pi plus theta. That meaning is up to this one. So that meaning is LHS is equal to sin theta plus sin pi plus theta. So what happens? That is equal to 0. Why? Because sin theta 180 plus theta is minus sin theta. So it will become 0. 180 plus third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sin is negative. So it will become minus sin theta. Sin theta will be cancelled. So that is if n is 1, that means odd. If n is odd number, then this value will become 0. Similarly, if n is equal to 2, that means even number. If n is equal to 2, what happens? So see this one. If n is equal to 2, what happens? Sin 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta meaning is up to this one. Up to this term you have to take. Okay. So sin theta, sin pi plus theta, sin 2 pi plus theta. That then what happens? That implies LHS is equal to, it will become sin theta plus sin pi plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta. So that is equal to sin theta, sin 180 plus theta is minus sin theta. 180 plus third quadrant, in the third quadrant sin is negative. Sin 2 pi plus theta, sin 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi plus meaning is one rotation is over. So it will come into the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So plus sin theta. So minus sin theta plus sin theta will be cancelled. It will become sin theta. Yes or no? I understand that? So what is that? If n is even, the sum will become 0. If n is even, it will become sin theta. If n is odd, it will become 0. I understand this? This is the example. You can understand this. Okay. So similarly, I will give you that one more formula is here. So that meaning is same for cos also. Cos theta plus cos pi plus theta plus cos of 2 pi plus theta plus and so on, cos of n pi plus theta. So this value is also 0 if n is odd. If n is odd, it will sum will become 0, and this value will become cos theta. It will become cos theta if n is even. If n is even, so then the sum will become cos theta. If n is odd, then the sum will become 0. Similar formulas. Okay. So see that formula, students, and practice these formulas. Okay. So see, students, see the level 1. So before the level 1 questions, you have a radian measure questions are there. Okay. So these questions I will tell you at the end of these exercises. Level 1, level 2 will be complete. I will tell you these questions. Okay. Up to this one, try that questions. Okay. So I will tell you that questions after this level 1 and level 2 complete. Then I will tell you that questions. Okay. So start the level 1. So see the first question. What is the first question in the level 1? So what is the first question is? So see the level 1. So see the level 1 first question. What is the first question is, students? If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, if alpha comma beta are complementary angles, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta, cos square alpha plus cos square beta. So given, what is that? Alpha comma beta are complementary angles. Complementary angles. So that implies, what is the meaning of complementary? I am already told that an alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. So they are asking cos square alpha plus cos square beta is equal to. So cos square alpha plus cos square, in the place of beta you can written as 90 degrees minus alpha. Why? Because beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. So that is equal to cos square alpha. Cos 90 minus alpha, it will become sine. So square is there. So cos square alpha plus, it will become sine square alpha. This value is 1. Okay. So the option is 2. So what is the option? Option is 2. So see that one. See the next question. Question number 2. So what is the question number 2 is? Secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. So what is the question they are asking, students? That implies theta lies in the quadrant. Theta lies in the quadrant. So where is the theta is? That is the question. Okay. So that meaning is we have to find out the two trigonometric functions. Then automatically we can identify where is the theta is. Okay. So by using of this equation, you have to calculate the two trigonometric functions. Then automatically you can tell that what is the theta is belongs to. Okay. So first you have to see this one. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. Given this, I am already given one formula. Secant theta plus tan theta. What is the secant theta plus tan theta is? It is the reciprocal of secant theta minus tan theta. I am given one formula. We know that secant theta plus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta minus tan theta, and secant theta minus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, yes or no? So I am already given the formula. Okay, so secant theta plus tan theta, you can take it as a 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. So that implies, so secant theta plus tan theta, it will become 1 by 3. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So what we will take that, I will add these two, 1 plus 2. First I will take a 1 plus 2. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 and secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So what happens, students? So tan will be cancelled. 2 secant theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but 10 by 3. Yes or no? 3 plus 1 by 3. So 9 plus 1 is a 10 by 3. So you can cancel this value here. It will cancel with 5. So then automatically secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. So it is a positive. So is a positive. Similarly, I will take here equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What is the equation 2? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Equation 1 is secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. So if you are taking the minus, all the signs will be cancelled. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus, and it is also minus. So what happens, students? Secant theta will be cancelled. You will get 2 tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3. 1 by 3 minus 3. What happens? 9. 1 minus 9 is a minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 is nothing but tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 is negative. So secant is a positive. Secant. So what is that? Secant is a positive. Where is the secant? Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Yes or no? Cos is a positive in fourth quadrant and first quadrant. Tan is negative. Tan is negative. Where is the tan negative? Tan negative in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So what is the final? You will get that theta is belongs to the fourth quadrant. So therefore theta is belongs to Q4. So see this question, students, once again. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. So already I know this value, just replace the value. So just take a 1 plus 2, you will get a secant theta value. Take the 2 minus 1, you will get a tan theta value. Secant is a negative, secant is a positive, and tan is a negative. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. Yes or no? So cos is a positive. Where is the cos is a positive? Fourth quadrant and first quadrant and fourth quadrant. And tan is negative. Tan negative in the second and fourth. So what is the common? So the common is the fourth quadrant. So you will take that theta is belongs to the fourth quadrant. All are understood, students? So see that question, students. Question number 3. So what is the question number 3 is? See the question number 3. Tan 20 plus tan 40 plus tan 60 plus and so on tan 180 degrees, tan 20 plus tan 40 plus tan 60 plus and so on up to tan 180 degrees. So what is this value is? So see this question, students. So first you have to see we know that already I am given one condition. If A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, if A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, then tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B is equal to 0. Tan A plus tan B is equal to 0. So if A plus B is equal to 180, then tan A into tan B is equal to 0. So here, what is the LHS is? That is nothing but tan 20 plus tan 40 plus tan 60 plus tan 180 degrees. That is equal to you have to take the two angles. What is that? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Yes or no? So I will take all these values here. So tan 80 degrees plus tan 100, next tan 120 plus tan 140 plus tan 160 plus tan 180 degrees. So what is this? That is equal to, this is equal to, I will take a plus b is equal to 180. What is the angle will become, sum of the angles will become 180. This 20 degrees and here this is the 160 degrees. If you add these two, it will become 180. Yes or no? 20 plus 160 is 180 degrees. Then automatically tan 20 plus tan 160 value will become 0. So that meaning is I will take these a pair, tan 20 plus tan 160. Similarly, take the next one is tan 40 plus tan 140. Tan 140 degrees. A plus b is a 180. So then tan 40 plus tan 140 will become 0. Next, tan 60 degrees plus tan 120 degrees. Tan 120 degrees. 60 plus 120 is 180. So tan 60 plus tan 120 will become 0. Plus next value is tan 80 plus tan 100. That is also 180, and tan 80 plus tan 100 is also will become 0. Last one is nothing but tan 180 degrees. The remaining only one angle is there, so that is a 180 degrees. So tan 20 plus 160 is a 180. So tan a plus tan b will become 0. Plus a plus b is 0. So tan a plus tan b will become 0. Plus a plus b is 0. Tan a plus tan b will become 0. Plus a plus b is 0, tan a plus tan b will become 0. Plus tan 180. What is the tan 180? Tan 180 is also 0. Tan 180 degrees is also 0. So what happens, students? The final answer is 0. So what is the option? Option 1. Option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next question, question number 4. So what is the question number 4 is? So they are asking you have to calculate 3 sin x minus cos x, 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. So this type of problems, we can see the answers. All the values are given the numerical values. Yes or no? So that meaning is you can give one angle to the x. So what is that? You can take that easy value. Sin and cos is there. So you can take that 0 or 90 degrees. You can take theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 90 degrees. You will get the answer. Okay. So here I will take that. See the solution. What is that? Put theta is equal to 90 degrees or 0 degrees by your choice. 90 or 0. So I will take a 90 degrees. What happens? That implies LH, that is a 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to, just substitute that in the place of x, take the 90 degrees. What happens? That is equal to 3 into sin 90 minus cos 90 degrees whole power 4 plus 6 into sin 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 of 90 degrees plus cos power 6 of 90 degrees. So what is that? That is equal to 3 into sin 90 is 1 minus cos 90 is 0 plus 6 into sin 90 is 1 plus cos 90 is 0 whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 of 90, that is nothing but 1. Why? Because sin 90 is a 1, so it will become 1 power 6 plus cos 90 is 0, so it will become 0. So what happens, students? So that is equal to 3, 1 power 4 is a 1 plus 6 into 1 square is a 1 plus 4 into 1, so that is equal to 10 plus 3, so the value is 13. So similarly in the place of x value you can replace the 0 also. Sir, we will take a 30, 45 like this one. It will become very lengthy for the calculation part. The values, it is easy to take 90 and zeros. So you can substitute that value, you will get answer. So without doing the problem also you can tell the answer in one step also. So see this one, I am taking theta is equal to 90. What happens? It will become 1. It will become 1. It will become 1. 3 plus 6 plus 4 is a 13 is the answer. All are understood, students? So we can without doing the problem also, this type of questions we can tell the answers. For example, the same model question is there, so see that one and tell me the answer of question number 10. So same model question is that, so see that question also. So see the question number 10, same model question is that. So see the question number 10. So what is that? Given an, what is the an value is given? That is nothing but cos power n alpha plus sin power n alpha. An is equal to cos power n alpha plus sin power n alpha. Then, so what is the question they are asking? You have to calculate 2 into a6 minus 3 into a4. So they are asking an value is given, they are asking calculate this value. So what is this meaning is, see students, a1 is nothing but cos alpha plus sin alpha, a2 cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, a3 cos cube alpha sin power 4 alpha, a4 cos power 4 alpha sin power 4 alpha, a6 cos power 6 alpha sin power 6 alpha. Are you understand that? So a6 is nothing but a 2 into a6 is nothing but cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha minus 3 into a4 cos power 4 alpha plus sin power 4 alpha. So what we will take that, just without simplification you can take, put theta is equal to 90, what happens? Alpha, not the theta is that, put alpha is equal to 90, what happens? That is equal to 2 into cos 90 whole power 6 plus sin power 6 of 90 minus 3 into cos power 4 of 90 degrees plus sin power 4 of 90 degrees. So see students, what happens here? This is 2 into cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, 1 power 6 is 1, minus 3 into cos 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, power 4 is a 0, sin 90 is a 1, 1 power 4 is a 1. So that is equal to 2 minus 3, that value is a minus 1. That value is a minus 1. So see the question number 10. Okay. So sir, I will expand in another model also. So this is a one method. So second method is also there. What is that second method is? So without substitution here, we have to expand. We have to expand that. So this is the option is 2. So I will do one more method here without doing a substitution, that is I am verified here, without verification, I am substituted the angle, without using the angle also we can do that in 2 steps. So see this one, I am taken here, I will do in another method also. So see this one. So what is that? 2 into, I am already given one formula. Cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha, I am given one formula is 1 minus 3 into sin square alpha into cos square alpha. See that one in the synopsis, I am given this proof also. Cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha is nothing but 1 minus 3 sin square alpha into cos square alpha minus 3 into, so this formula is also I am given cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. What is the cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha into cos square alpha. This formula is also I am given. This proof I am given that one. See that in the previous class. Okay. So that implies just multiply with 2 students. 2 minus 6 into sin square alpha cos square alpha, multiply with minus 3, minus of minus plus 6 into sin square alpha cos square alpha. So minus 6 sin square alpha plus 6 sin square alpha cos alpha will be cancelled. So what is that? You will get the same 2 minus 3. So that is equal to minus 1. Or understand students? So by using the alpha value, you will get that one. Otherwise you can do the expansion of that problem. Okay. So in the trigonometry you can do that in the different models. If you know the formulas, you can play with that problems. Okay. So see that one. So what is the answer is option. What is the option for this question? Option is 2 is the option. Option 2. Okay. So see the next question students. So see the question number 5. So what is the question number 5 is? So see the question number 5. So what they are asking, you have to calculate the value. So sin square alpha plus 1 plus cot square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha by 1 plus cot square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. So how to calculate this value is? So see students, so what is the condition we are going to use? So first we will simplify this question directly. So see this one. So that is equal to sin square alpha by 1 plus cot square alpha. 1 plus cot square alpha is nothing but, what is the formula? Cosecant square theta minus cot square alpha is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta alpha value is nothing but cosecant square alpha. Cosecant square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square. What is the 1 plus tan square? 1 plus tan square is nothing but, already know the formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, yes or no? So here this 1 plus tan square, it will become secant square alpha and whole square is there, secant square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. So that is equal to sin square alpha by, what is this cosecant square? Cosecant square is nothing but 1 by sin square alpha plus tan square alpha. What is the tan? Tan is nothing but sin square alpha by cos square alpha by, what is the secant power 4? Secant is nothing but a reciprocal of cos, yes or no? So that meaning is 1 by cos power 4 alpha plus cos square alpha. So tan square alpha just I am taken as a sin by cos, and secant square just take the denominator 1 by cos. So cos power 4 alpha. So what is the terms? You will get that one. So if you can take this sin square alpha to the numerator, it will become sin power 4 alpha. Sin square alpha into sin square alpha, it will become sin power 4. So this is cos square alpha, and here cos power 4 alpha is there. If you can cancel this, you will get a cos square alpha. But this cos square alpha came into the numerator. This cos square alpha coming into the numerator, it will become sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. So that implies sin power 4 alpha, from these two you can take sin square alpha common. From these two I am taking the sin square alpha common. So what is that? If you are taking the sin power 4, if you are taking the sin square alpha, remaining value is sin square alpha. If you are taking this one, the remaining value is cos square alpha plus this cos alpha will remain the same. So I am taking the only common from these two terms only. Okay. So that implies sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 and cos square alpha. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So that is equal to 1. Do you understand, students? So just I am simplified this one. 1 plus cot square alpha is nothing but a cosecant square. Cosecant square is nothing but 1 by sin square. Coming into the numerator, it will become sin power 4 alpha. 1 plus tan square is the secant square alpha. Whole square, it will become secant power 4. So if you can take the reciprocal, it will become cos power 4 alpha. This tan is nothing but the sin by cos. So sin square alpha by cos square alpha, and 1 by cos power 4 alpha. Cancel the value and take the cos square alpha and take into the numerator, it will become sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. Take the sin square alpha common from the first two terms. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, it will become 1. The remaining value is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. The value is 1. So see that one. What is the option for that one is? So the option is, what is the option for that question is? Fifth question. Answer is 1. So that is nothing but the option is 3 is the answer. Answer is 1, but option, what is the option you have to take? That is the 3. Okay. So see that question, students, number 6. So what is the question number 6? Cos 40 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 220 degrees plus theta plus cos 300 plus theta, 300 plus theta. So see this question, students. So they are asking this one is. So what we have to do this question is. So cos 40 plus 120 and 220 plus theta, 300 plus theta. So I am given one formula. So what is the formula is? So what is the use of the formulas? I'm already given the formulas in the before class, that is in the previous one. So what is the use of this formula is, I am given one formula is that, so what is that one is, we know that if A minus B is equal to, if A minus B is equal to 180 degrees, then cos A plus cos B is equal to 0. I am given the formula. See the question, students? If A minus B is equal to 180 degrees, then automatically cos A plus cos B will become 0. So what is that? So therefore, so what happens? Cos 40 degrees plus theta, cos 40 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 220 degrees plus theta plus cos 300 plus theta. So what is the pairs you are going to take? So the difference is 180 you have to get. Okay, so what is the pairs are? See students, 220 minus 40. 220 minus 40 is 180. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what is the pairs you are going to take? So cos of 220 degrees plus theta plus cos of 40 degrees plus theta. So this is the one pair. Next pair is cos of 300 degrees plus theta plus cos of 120 degrees plus theta. So see the second pair is. So here A minus B is 180. Yes or no? A minus B is 180. Here this is A and this is the B. A minus B is 180. So if A minus B is 180, then automatically cos A plus cos B is 0. So automatically what happens, students? This value will become 0. That value will also become 0. The answer is 0. Yes or no? So if you know the formula, you will get the answer in one step. So without doing the anything, so you can, A minus B is 180, cos A plus cos B is 0. A minus B is 180, A plus B is 0. So 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. Without doing the question also, we can identify the answers if you know the formulas. Are understanding that? So that's why I am given some formulas with the proofs also. Okay. So first practice that formulas, then you will get the problems easy. Okay. So see that question. See the next question, question number 7. So what is the question number 7, students? So see the question number 7. So what is the question number 7 is? So try the question number 7 and question number 8. So try the question number 7 and question number 8 by your choice. Why? Because that is the PU problems actually. So try that question number 7 and question number 8. So see the question number 9. So what is the question number 9 is? So what is that question is? Given tan 25 degrees is equal to P. Tan 25 degrees is equal to P. They are asking, you have to calculate tan 245 degrees plus tan 335 degrees by tan 205 degrees minus tan 115 degrees. So tan 25 degrees is equal to P. They are already given this. They are asking this value is. So all these values you have to convert in the form of tan 25. Why? Because the answer in the P only. So that meaning is you have to convert each term in the form of tan 25. or that is the value you have to convert, then automatically all the terms will be convert into the p, then you will get the answer. Okay, so first how can you convert this one is, so see students, tan 245, how can you written this one? I will written like this, tan of, I want to get a 25 value. How to write this 25 value? That is nothing but 270 degrees minus 25 degrees. 270 minus 25 is a 245. Yes or no? Why? Because 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, already you know the value. So that's why we are written 270 minus 25. Why? Because 270 minus theta, already you know the value. So next one is tan 335. Tan 335, how can you written this? That is nothing but 360 degrees minus 25 degrees. Why I am written this form? Already you know that tan 360 minus theta value is. Similarly, in the denominator also, tan 205. Tan 205 you can written, tell me students, how can you written this? 180 degrees plus 25. 180 plus 25. So 115, how can you written that? Tan 90 degrees plus 25 degrees. Tan 90 plus 25 degrees. So these values, how can you calculate? So see students, so tan, all the tan values, okay. Tan is a positive in first and third quadrant. In these two values only positive, remaining two is negative. So first see this one. 270 minus theta, this is the 270. 270 minus meaning is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is a positive. Tan is positive. But 90, 270, it will take the co-ratios. If it is a 90 or a 270, so it will take the co-ratios. Tan co-ratio is a cot. So automatically it will convert into the form of cot 25 degrees. Write on the formula, tan 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta is a cot theta. Next, tan 360 minus theta. 360, here it is a 360. 360 minus, 360 plus is here, 360 minus is here. 360 minus meaning is it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Yes or no? In the fourth quadrant, tan is negative. And 360 is there, tan will remain the same. Tan will remains the same. What I am told that one, odd multiples of pi by 2 takes the co-ratios. Odd multiples of pi by 2, 90, 270 like this one only, it will take the co-ratios. 180 or a 360 or a 520 like these terms, you will get a same trigonometric value. Okay. So that means tan 360 minus theta, it is a minus. Why? Because in the fourth quadrant tan is a negative and tan will remain the same. That is tan 25 degrees. Tan 25 degrees by 180 plus. So here it is a 180 degrees. It is a 180 degrees. So what happens? 180 plus. 180 plus meaning is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is a positive. So tan is a positive. So it will become tan 25 degrees. Next. 90 plus, here it is the 90. 90 plus meaning is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. Tan is negative. Already minus is there. So it will become minus of minus. So and also see here, it is a multiple of 90s or it is a odd multiples of pi by 2. Then what I am told that the tan will take the co-ratios. So tan will take the co-ratios. That is nothing but a cot. It will become cot 25 degrees. So see this one students, tan 270 minus theta is a cot theta, tan 360 minus theta is a minus tan theta, tan 180 plus theta is a tan theta, tan 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta is a minus cot theta, minus cot theta. So tan 25 is a p. So automatically cot is nothing but the reciprocal of cot, reciprocal of tan, yes or no? So cot 25 is nothing but 1 by p minus p by p minus of minus plus cot 25 is a p value. Yes or no students? So take the P LCM here. What is that? 1 minus P square by P whole by, here also you can take the LCM. P into P is a P square plus 1. So that is nothing but P square plus 1 by P. So this P and the P will be cancelled. So what is the answer, students? So you will get that 1 minus P square by 1 plus P square. 1 minus P square by 1 plus P square. So see that question, students. So what is the option? Option for that question is nothing but 3. So the answer is, what is that? Option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students, practice that questions, okay? So and complete that homework problems also and try the next questions also, okay? So we will continue in the next class, okay?